Okay, for this video, I have a plywood board, and it's approximately 3/4 inch thick, and it is about 12 inches by about 10 inches, 9 inches. Right here, I'm taking some of my gel print papers and I'm applying them with the TCW matte gel medium. You can use any matte gel medium. I use theirs because, well, it's my favorite and they love me and they give it to me. But like I said, I wouldn't use these products if I didn't believe in them. So this was a painting that I had made before and I really didn't like, so I put some prime gesso over it, and now I'm applying my papers. I just rip them up and do it randomly, and make sure you use the corners for the corners, but on this piece it doesn't matter because of the thick base of it. I'm going to go ahead and wrap the papers around the edge so that you'll see them on the sides of the painting too, because I love to decorate the framing of the painting too. This is going to be a texture painting, and I'm going to use some modeling paste. I use the clear modeling paste whenever I'm going to be using water-based products, and I'm going to use the Ken Oliver metal metallics. I have a little kit that I got from the art store. I think it was Blix, and it's just like a 6-kit set, and you use just a few drops, and I'm telling you, the shimmer and the metal on that, it's just amazing. I'm also going to be using some of my Lindy sprays and Lindy magical shakers. I like the Lindy's Gang sprays better. I did get the flat Fabios, and I will say that the flat Fabios, when you're doing this, will not work. You need something that has that metal, that sparkle to it, that sheen to it. Otherwise, it just doesn't work. The flat Fabios did not work for this. It ended up being a flat piece of art. So I did use that. I learned that from trial and error before. So, but the Lindy's I definitely did like, and the Ken Oliver magicals. Oh my God, I wish I had all of his watercolor and magicals. But for this piece, I'm going to mix the two together, and I dip my, I use a mop brush. I love the round mop brushes. I have mine, I got them from Amazon, and these mop brushes are called Art Secret. It was a set of them, and they hold a ton of water, so you can really get some time in your painting. Working it. The only thing you do is when you go from different colors, of course, clean your brush and go back and forth. But otherwise, you can be like me, make mud, wipe it off.